Recently, I uploaded a long video showing how I create mug designs on Canva. To not scare you away from the designing process, today I will show you how to come up with a design quickly. Let's go to my Redbubble shop and take this design as an example. In ChatGPT, ask for a similar design and upload your design image. Now ChatGPT-4o is free for everyone, or very soon will be. The first image is very good, so let's ask for one more. The second one is not as good as the first one, but still not bad. I don't want a circular design, so let's see if it understands when I say, "Not circle, please." No, it's another circle, but it's still good. Another try. Keep it closer to the original. Incorporate text like there, not in a circle. No, it's another circle, but I like it. I just need to edit the text. Let's change our approach. Make a similar design, but instead of a tent, use a vintage camper like in the attached image. One more circle, but I like it anyway. Let's start a new chat. Maybe that helps. My prompt is, create a similar design. It can't be a circle. Nope, it doesn't help. Another try. No. Again. Starting a new chat, this time I ask, create 3 distinct versions of this design one by one. This is a mess. However, with the third design I could do something. New chat again. The prompt is, create the same design. Just instead of a tent, use a vintage camper trailer. The next prompt is, nice, one more please. This one is nice. Now let's create 5 versions in one go. The prompt is, great, please create 5 more versions one by one. And here they come. Very good. I like the last one, despite the flying trees on the sides. I asked for one more like the last one. But no, it's not similar to the previous one. I'm thinking maybe the word design makes it follow some standards and generate only circular designs. So let's do the last try in a new chat. My prompt is as simple as possible. Generate similar, please. No, my theory is wrong. But anyway, I have plenty of good designs to choose from, and I am sure I will use more than one of them. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.